gonna eat the Pokemon Halloween party food. Let's go! Actually, I need to have breakfast. Let's go for Pokemon. My goodness. Right, okay. I'm sold. Look at the queue. Oh, here, let's wait in line. Okay. I've been for around 35 minutes or so, and I'm right inside, almost at the orchard. Bit late for the menu, but here we go. Okay, I know what I want already: the Pikachu curry, the pancake, and the jelly shrimp. Okay, hi. ありがとうございます。Thank you. Yo, yo, yo. Right, guys, I am sat down and I'm ready to rumble. I'm so hungry. This is my breakfast: curry, moose pancake, and melon Fanta. Let's go. Bouncy as hell. As usual, dissecting it for you guys. There's the beef curry and some yogurty sauce, I think. Definitely not mayo. I'll try it with this crunchy later on. And Pikachu's face is kind of changed and deformed quite a bit. I'm not sure whether because I shot too much B-rolls. Fries with sweet corn. I think this is definitely bun. And this piece, maybe cracker. Broccoli, sweet potato, tomato, sweet corn, self-explanatory. And this pie, God knows what's inside. Dissecting the pie first, actually. What's the filling? Just some pasta stuff, I think. Crackers are skipping. The typical pastry stuff. The white sauce, sour cream pie. Yeah, that's right, it's just some pasta pie. Even shepherd's pie or lasagna would do, but pasta pie. Pikachu is... Just some bun. The hell is this? God knows what this is. Let's go. It's pretty tasteless. Fries with some sweet corn. Too dry, you need to run it with curry. I just realised it's not the plate that's vibrant. These are edible pieces, I think. Let's try out the DJ disc. It's not even a cracker, man. Very, very strange. And the rest, pretty self-explanatory. Not going to like comment too much on it. Broccoli, sweet corn, pumpkin, tomato. Done. Next. Pokemon jumping Halloween party. White chocolate with some mousse at the back. Chocolate piece here, and the button, same as the tail, all chocolate, and mousse here. Pancake, mousse, jiggly mousse. Chocolate is super bouncy. Boing, boing, boing. Let's go, boy. Trying out the sign, the pancake. Let's dissect the face. I'm sorry. Oh, I hate doing this. I really hate it. Oh, there's something inside. Got some grape or rhubarb inside. Ears as well. Ears. So weird. The ears are disguised as chocolate, but it's not chocolate. Essentially, these sugary pieces taste of Mewtwo, which is nice. Finishing the other one off. For a sign. Now this is white chocolate. Pancake. Pale proper mousse. Okay, it's not rhubarb, it's raspberry. And it's got some cake on the bottom layer, which is nice. Still bouncy as hell, man. Also, we've got the Hulk juice, aka melon Fanta. Melted a bit with the ice, but not to worry, it still tastes similar.
so I'm heading there right now. Let's go.